Are you being a parrot? Oh, okay. And what does a parrot do? What else does a parrot do? What else does a parrot do? A parrot eat ice cream? Would a parrot like some ice cream? Yes. What sort of ice cream is that?
Marshmallow with pink ice cream.
It's called bubblegum. But it does look...
Bubblegum.
It looks like marshmallow, doesn't it?
I'm Polly. I'm Polly.
Are you gonna...
Polly.
You Polly the parrot. How does Polly the parrot talk? Oh, cuddles with Dad. Love Dada. You gonna see all the family next week? Yeah.
Can Polly's moms come?
Yeah.
Love Dad?
Yeah.
Love Teddy?
Yeah. Go see Uncle Nick's.